Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to import CSV file in the MoneyCoach app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the MoneyCoach app, and then to import CSV files you just have to go to the settings, which is on the top left corner, and in the general section you have to tap on the import and export category, and from here the first menu is import CSV. So if you already know how to import a CSV file, you just have to tap on select file and you can go on and upload your CSV file. The second option is import CSV file to existing account, which means that you can add your CSV file to an account on the MoneyCoach app. As you can see, this is my only account, so I can choose it to import my CSV file here. And if you have any trouble uploading your CSV file, you just have to tap on the how to, and it's going to open up the MoneyCoach website, and they will answer a lot of questions. And if you have even more questions, you can type them in their chat box. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.